Hello, my name is Sally Gimmon and I'm the owner of thetrustisyou.com, and I want to teach as many U.S. business owners, U.S. 1099 income earners, and U.S. investors to save as much money in taxes. Most people have never heard of the Spendthrift Trust because it's not taught in schools. The Spendthrift Trust is legal, copywritten in the IRS Tax Code 643B, like Bravo, and it's been in front of the United States Supreme Court on 2 separate occasions. With the Spendthrift Trust, you're going to save in 4 very important ways. Listen up. You're going to save federal taxes year after year, generation after generation. Number 2, you're going to keep your information 100% private. Your LLC, your S-Corp does not do that. That's statutory law, and I can go out to the Secretary of State or the Corporation Commission and research your LLC. There's a reason why 40% of all LLCs are sued every year. Third way it's going to save you money. If you put everything into the trust, all lawsuits become frivolous and go away. The old adage by Nelson Rockefeller, own nothing, control everything. And the fourth way the trust is going to save you money, you will not have to do the 2024 Corporate Transparency Act from the Treasury Department. That's if you're an established LLC doing business as or a corporation, you have until January 1st of 2025 to do the paperwork or be fined $10,000 or 2 years in jail. Yikes. That's huge. Now, again, the law firm I work on behalf of is the Benson Financial Trust. It's been around for over 75 years and has never, ever been audited. That's why they can give you a certification saying, hey, we'll protect you if the IRS asks any questions. When you go out to my website, www.thetrustisyou.com, there's actually a letter out there from a senior IRS agent who says the trust is legal. He's now one of the agents like myself. That's fantastic. So let's get into this. The business trust. Business Spendthrift Trust is for all U.S. business owners and 1099 income earners. You will save at least 90% on your federal taxes year after year, generation after generation, and never have to pay the money back. One of my clients that I helped was a Texas husband and wife. The wife called me. Her husband's an insurance agent. She's working full-time, 40 hours a week, and he is an insurance agent. He's licensed in he's licensed in property and casualty and health and life. What he has is an LLC. When we take the LLC out of their taxes, it lowers their taxes from 32% down to 12% because I can't touch the wife's W-2 income. And then we put his insurance company, we take it out of the LLC and we put it into the trust. When he saves 90% on his insurance, altogether, he and his wife are going to save. I have to cheat because I'm dyslexic and I have a thing. We're going to save them in the first year $161,760 in federal taxes. Texas doesn't have state taxes. This is their money. They can. The husband wants to hire a VA. They can pay off their mortgage. They can get a new car. They can put it towards, they got 3 children, put it towards college funding. They could go on a family vacation. This is their money and they will save it year after year. That's the business trust. I also have another somebody who has an Etsy store. She sells earrings. She's going to save over $17,000 a year and she's only 23 years old and her store is growing month after month after month. So she'll save even more money. Now, the beneficial trust. This is for all U.S. investors. I don't care what kind of investing you're doing. You're going to save the following 5 taxes. You're going to save short-term and long-term capital gains, interest income, dividend income, rental income, and royalty income taxes. Now, just to give you an idea, all taxes are between 10% to 37%, 7 different layers, depending on what your tax bracket is. The only thing that's different there is long-term capital gains. Long-term capital gains are more than a year, and if you're selling a business or if you are selling a baseball card or anything else, you'll be saving, it'll be charged either 15% or 20%. I'm helping a client right now who's going to be paid $250,000 for getting out of his company. At 15%, we're going to save him $37,500, his money, and at 20%, it'll be $50,000. Again, his money to do with what he wants. Interest income is for anyone who's a passive investor, someone who's doing creative financing, seller financing, doing subject to real estate, doing the BRRRR strategy, or if you're a forex investor. Forex investors, you get taxed twice, interest income and capital gains. I can save you both those taxes with the Spendthrift Trust. I just did a house where I'm doing seller financing in the next 2 years, the Spendthrift Trust is going to save me $56,000. That's my money. Dividend income taxes. This is anybody who's in the stock market. So if you are a stock market investor, if you're a day trader, if you're doing futures trading, commodities trading, or if you're an options trader. Options traders, listen up. You get taxed 40% on your profits for a year or less and 60 on your profits for a year or more. And then rental income taxes. If you are rental income taxes. If you are doing Airbnb, vacation rentals, or traveling nurses, or if you're doing long term, 5 doors, 10 doors, 20 doors, commercial property, multifamily, or apartment investing. I just helped somebody who was doing Airbnb arbitrage. We're going to save them over $49,000 in 2024 taxes. That's their money. What are they going to do with it? They're going to get more rental arbitrages and make their empire a little bit bigger. And then finally, royalty income taxes. Royalties are for anyone who's an actor or an actress. Maybe you are a musician, a songwriter, a playwright. If you're in NFT world, NFT crypto, NFT real estate, NFT artwork, copyright, intellectual property, or mineral rights, you could save thousands. Robin Williams, the late actor, has the Spendthrift Trust. His family's not paying any royalties on any of his works. I'm inviting you to a 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me. Please go out to www.thetrustisyou.com. There's a free video there for you to download, and then you can set up a meeting, or www.thetrustisyou.com scheduling. When you come to a meeting with me, I will take you out to NerdWallet, a free site, to show you the formula for figuring out your taxes, show you how much you would be saving. I will send you that information by email. I will send you 2 pages of case law. I will send you 3 articles from Forbes magazine that talk about the Spendthrift Trust. If your CPA or financial advisor is telling you I'm lying, please tell them a law book that trust attorneys study in law school is called Scott and Asher on Trusts. Currently, there are over 1 million attorneys in the United States. Only 4% are trust attorneys. The number one trust, 97% of trusts that are sold every year, the family trust, is exactly what my mom and dad had and what Susie Orman talks about on television. It does not save you taxes, does not keep your information private, does not keep you from paying any judgments if you get sued, and it does not keep you from doing the paperwork for the Corporate Transparency Act. The only thing the family trust does is avoid going through probate. Well, the Spendthrift Trust avoids probate, you don't have to pay inheritance tax, and you get to keep all your information private. Please set up a 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me, because I want to teach as many U.S. business owners, U.S. 1099 income earners, and U.S. investors how they can save money just like the rich do. Thank you for watching. I hope you all have a beautiful week. Take care. U.S. investors how they can save money just like the rich do. Thank you for watching. I hope you all have a beautiful week. Take care.